Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this memory foam pillow. This is designed so your head is supported nicely as well as your neck. So yeah, right now I have kind of a softer pillow. I like to sleep on my side a lot, and it's just not big enough to cover this area, so sometimes my head is like kind of bent a little bit. So I'm pretty stoked to try this one out here and see how it works. Comes in this nice little bag here. Pretty soft. First impressions. Right. It's a decent sized pillow there. It's quite soft. It looks like this is like most memory foam. Might take a little while for it to form. It has a little zipper here in the back, and that can be unzipped obviously. You could take your pillow out. It looks like it has multiple covers here. I think you could take this out and wash it, if I'm not mistaken. Perhaps. But that button is kind of connected there too, so I'm not sure. Anyways, it does have a little zipper there. That's nice. And it kind of just hides away in there. It's actually pretty soft. This is going to expand the rest of the way, and then it has like this inner portion that's got like this different kind of material there and a little bit more support for the head there. So this should like contour nicely. Put your neck right here and then support that, and then places for your arm to go if you want to. So actually I'm pretty excited. It's already fluffing up here to give this one a shot, and I'm going to be testing it out tonight, sleeping on this. I've tried a memory foam pillow before. It was a long time ago. I think it might even be like a Tempur-Pedic one, but nothing. That was a long time ago, probably over 10 years ago. But since then I haven't really tried. This has been like the traditional one, so I want to give this one a shot. And like it has like nice little areas there for your arm too. Yeah, this outside is like super comfortable. Obviously I'm going to be putting a pillowcase on here, but I'm pretty excited to try this out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay friends, so spent the night sleeping on this pillow. This is the contoured one. It's got the memory foam one, a lot more support right here, definitely. And the nice concave place for my head, and the neck support was really good. You can see there's like quite a bit of resistance right here. It's like perfect for right back behind your neck. So usually I'm tossing and turning a little bit. This is my old pillow. There's no, look at this, squishes down to there. If my neck's right here, then my head's here. It's just kind of like, you know what I mean? There's the difference in, there's like no support here, and this all gets all fluffed out to the side, and I have to like kind of push it together and then, you know, try to hold it while I'm sleeping. So I find myself tossing and turning a lot more. Also, if I sleep on my shoulder, or if I sleep on my side, this one, look how that's like not there. This one offers a lot more like resistance here. There's like more padding, more cushion. Put my head on there. This one just kind of, after time too, it just kind of, everything goes over to this side, and then I wind up having to like try to double it over or do whatever to try to get it to work properly. So I mean, this is just like more, it's just a lot more comfortable for me. It was just like, this is kind of a no-brainer. And I've been, I don't know, thinking about a different pillow for a while, but you know, I just never really got around to it, and this one came. So kind of really nice. I like this dip right here. It's like perfect. It like fits my head. I usually, like, because of sleeping on my back a lot, that's how I mainly start out sleeping, is on my back. But because of it's like this, there's no, it's like my neck was in a weird position, not really natural. So there wasn't that support there for my neck. And I found that I'd be waking up during the night and like turning over and like trying to find like a sideways position or something comfortable. With this one, just one night's rest, and I noticed it was like a lot different than I was just slept. It seemed like a lot more fitfully and not waking up just because my neck wasn't supported properly or whatever like that. So definitely switching over to this guy. It's time for a change. Nothing but good things to say about this so far. So hope this is helpful for you guys, my friends. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time.